Here's how to zip and hang. First, check the door. Don't use zip and hang on doors that scrape while opening or closing. To operate, push the button and pull out both lines. And don't forget to remove the sticker. And you might need a footstool. Remember to always pull and retract the lines together. Next, hook one line over a door corner. I like to start by the hinge. Then hook the second line over the other corner. Pro tip, adjust the rubber tubing to be completely behind the door. With the zip and hang attached, close the door. Press the button to move the zip and hang up or down until it's perfect. You can use the little hook for small things like signs. And the jumbo hook is for your large wreaths. You can hide the zip and hang by cradling it like this. If you don't like how zip and hang looks, try the Any Season kit. When you're ready to take it down, simply remove the lines from each corner and retract both lines together. Store it in the original bag so your zip and hang will be ready for next time.